Stay, Tay, you'll be in the way there.
Go get the ball. Go. Come on.
He's getting tired.
Are you panting?
He's like, yeah, I just turned my head into the wall. I probably got a doggy concussion.
Come on. Ready? Come on. Come on. Get the ball.
Just throw it down in your lap. I'm like, come get it.
Come on.
I think someone's tired.
I thought you were smart.
Yeah, I am
Let's go.
tired.
Hurry. Come on.
You just gotta make him get more aggressive so you can get it.
Come on, Teddy.
Gotta go and hit him in the face a lot. That'll make him come get it.
That's not nice.
When he starts to bite, that he wants to get it.
Come on.
Go get it.
Good
Yeah!
boy.
There's our champion.
Ready? Ready?
It was like a race, like he was like,
Get it. You're getting lazy, aren't you?
yeah, he is.
Ready? You ready? Come here, Teddy. Teddy. Hey, Teddy.
He's like, oh, what's that? And he's like, oh.
Ready? Come on. Come on. Come on.
Let's go. So cute. Oh my god. It's like, what?
Teddy.
Teddy, come on.
Come on, Teddy.
Come on. Come on.
Just throw it again.
Come on. Teddy. Come on. Come on. Okay, I guess you're done, aren't you? You want to get the red one? You like the red one?
I think Teddy's tired.
Nope. He's still going around. That would hit him in the stomach.
Ready? Teddy. Hey. Come on. One more, Teddy. Just jump back. Come on. Get up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get up.
Come on, little butt.
Come on.
Loony butt, come on. Go get it.
Come on.
He's like, seriously, you're gonna make me jump over there again?
One more, Daddy. Let's go. Come on. Do you want the ball?
Oh, that is so mean.
Ready? Come get it.
Take anything back.
Come on. Come on. Good boy.
Yay!
Alright, I think he's done now.
No, he's not. See?
Alright, Teddy, I'll let you be.
No, you